Screws out of here, back on part 2 on this V6 red toy car. And you take these screws out of here, I'm going to remove that. But then once you get in here, you can say, okay, what's the battery voltage like? You get yourself a decent meter. You say, okay, take this cover out of the way. Alright, and we take black to black and red to red and say, okay, what is it? You look on it, it says 5 volts. 5 volts is what shows on the meter right here. Okay, so then what you do is you disconnect the battery from the system. So let's see the condition of this motor. And you take a look at the wiring here. And then you switch your meter to ohm setting right here, or one with sound too. So then what you do then is you take this and you stick your probes in here. The camera set here in place. Your one reading, hear that? Okay, so it's all the way through and you're getting very little resistance through it, which is getting straight through it, through all the winding and back out to the other lead. So that's how you can tell if everything's working. You just check it, and there you go. And you can switch to the next setting on 200k ohms. That shouldn't really get anything, but show 0.0, probably 0.1. But don't use this setting on the battery. You'll blow this up. Alright, so, and then on this other connector right here, you can check and say, okay, got connection. What about from the switch? You got nothing. And you turn it on, and turn it off. So what you do is when you run power, you can check the switches in the system and using your meter to see if things are working. Does that make sense? So let me show you. Set this back to voltage, right? And then you take the wiring back on. See that? How it already runs. That's because it's already connected from here to there. See, is there any voltage reading on there? No, there isn't. When I turn it on, it doesn't show anything yet. But when I hit the switch, nothing yet. So anyway, we already checked the motor, we already checked the battery. Those are some of the things that we can check on this thing. You can check and make sure the circuitry goes through all the switches. And you check in your meter resistance, you can hit it and it works. So that's how you can check your system over and see if everything else works on this toy or electronic component, or a fan, or electric motor, or a battery, or checking and see the resistance going through that, and just to see if everything works. Alright, well, I hope that was helpful. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.